How to log in Shopee account on Shopee app. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Get yourself your Shopee application from your Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the login or sign up option. To sign up, enter your phone number, then tap on Next. If you do not want to do the manual process, continue with Google, Facebook or Apple. Once you do that, you have to enter the verification code sent to your phone number. So go ahead and add the OTP code given to you. Make sure to enter it correctly. Now, if you have continued with Google, Facebook or Apple, you don't have to go through this process. You'll be logged in into your Shopee account immediately. Manually, go ahead and set up your password. Then tap on Next. Now, once you do this, you'll be able to create your very own Shopee account and you can start your shopping using the Shopee app. It will also provide you the new user perks, that is some of the coupons, and also free shipping option to you. You can claim the coupons given to you on your dashboard as well. And you can put on those coupons whenever you are checking out of your Shopee account. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.